Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Transmission. Airborne, TB spreads through the air when a person with active TB disease in their lungs coughs, sneezes, speaks, or sings. Symptoms. Coughing up blood or sputum. Symptoms. Fever. Night sweats. Loss of appetite. Diagnosis. Skin test. Mantoux tuberculin skin test. A small amount of TB protein is injected into the skin. A raised bump at the injection site after 48 to 72 hours may indicate TB infection. Chest X-rays. Sputum test. Treatment. Active TB, the most common medications isoniazid, rifampin, ethambutol, and pyrazinamide.